The next concept we are going to learn is la formation des mots. So the formation of words. So we have already learned some of the noun forms. Do you remember? We were given the verb and we were asked to find the noun form of the verb. So now this is a similar thing. The formation of words. Du verbe au nom. So this is the same. From the verb to the noun. So we have given the verb and we are going to form the noun. So some of the suffixes. So what is a suffix? A suffix is something you add at the end of the word. So to form a noun from a verb, some of the suffix used are tion, ement or ure. So these are some of the words we add at the end of a word to form the noun. So here we have the example of 3 verbs. The first verb is créer. Here we are going to use the first one. So the noun form would be, and the noun form always has an article. In most cases there is an article. So une création. So the ending is tion. Okay? So tion is the suffix. We have been given the verb créer and in the noun form it is une création. Now moving on to the next word, enregistrer. So here we are going to use the ending ement. So it becomes enregistre, ement. So ement is the ending, enregistrement. So that is the noun form of the given verb. And the next word, blesser. So we are going to use the suffix ure. So it becomes blessure. Blessure. So what did we do here? We formed the noun form from the verb. So we formed from the verb to the noun. The verb is créer, the noun is une création. The verb is enregistrer, the noun is enregistrement. The verb is blesser, the noun is blessure. So this is how we form the noun from the verb. Now the next form is du nom au verbe. That is just the opposite. We have been given the noun and we have to form the verb. La danse is the noun. The verb is, we have already learned this verb, it is danser. La danse is the noun. Danser is the verb. Now the next one, un appel. So like I told you, see, the nouns have articles. So un appel is the noun form. So what would be the verb? It is appeler. Appeler. So this is the verb. So now you know how to form the noun form when the verb is given and also the verb when the noun is given. So we need to use this. So these suffix to form the noun form, and the verb you already know. We are familiar with the verbs. So these concepts will be useful when you are writing an essay. So sometimes you will have to use the verb, sometimes you will need to use the noun form. In those cases, you will use the appropriate suffix and form the noun of the verb.